Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel once again. So today I got something that I thought I would share with you guys because this is very cool, especially for a person like me who lives out, in Texas, where there's always power outages and things like that. I already went through 6 days without electricity. I was all scared about, how I'm gonna charge my phone and all that, So this thing right here is awesome. And as you can see right here, EB1000, they do have different capacities. They have a 500 also, and of course they have more powerful one. My people, this is a P2000. This is a portable power station. I'm gonna give you some of the features. Basically, the general specs, the rated capacity is 999 watt hour. Okay, the net weight is about 8.1 kilogram. It has recharging input voltage, 12 through 26 volts. Recharging input power, 150 watts max. It's AC DC adapter. AC is 100 to 240 volts. DC is 24 volts and 6.25 amps, my people. It has a lot of specs, but my biggest thing is, hey, my people, research it, read it on your own so you could check it. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of the things that it does, all right? So let's take it out and let's get through this. So the first thing I gotta tell you, my people, is this baby is pretty lightweight. At first, when you grab the box, it does feel heavy, but hey, oh my God, this is pretty, pretty nice. Not bad. I thought it would be heavier, my people. So I do want to go through some of the features with you guys. Let me take out what's in the box to show you what it brings also. I don't want to make the video too long, but I do want to show you some of the features and all that. So let me tell you that this thing is also able to be recharged through a solar panel. That is sold separately, but it's pretty nice. So that you lose electricity, this is not charged, you just put it, charged with the sun. So that's a pretty cool feature, my people. So as you can see right here, it has a plug. Not 100% sure if this is for an external accessory or what, where you plug it into this hole right here, and it could be that the solar panel goes here. Not sure, but this is for external accessories, definitely. All right. And again, it does have the user manual, so you guys can definitely check that out. Okay, this is right here. You could charge it through the car. Plug it to the car, charge it to the car. Pretty handy. Okay, normal house plug, which we are gonna probably use to charge it. Most likely it's not fully charged and we wanna fully charge it. But this baby goes, of course, with this, which is the house power supply. Okay, then you'll plug it in here. Okay, and plug it to the power outlet, my people. All right, so that's what it brings. Okay, so let's turn it on real quick. Let's see, it should have some type of charge. And of course, right here, you see it nice and clear, power. And make sure you guys, let me make sure you guys can see it clear. You can see power. Let's turn it on. So you can see, has a nice little display saying that it's 55% charge. Okay, light. You can press the light and it has a light right here. As you can see. Tell me that's not nice. It could be a little flashlight. Hey, all right, shut the light off. It's off. There you go. Okay, so as we can see, it does have AC output right here, and they said it's 240. So I do want to try something in the dark and see what it does, but you got to press it to turn it on. And then right here, it's going to tell you AC, and it tells you how much wattage. If you got something connected, it's going to show you the wattage. So let's try that out real quick before it dies. Let's go first try to connect something. a LED light, and let's see what happens, my people. Let's do it in the dark, all right? Just so y'all can see what it does. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna connect this right there, 2 LEDs. We're gonna shut off the lights and we're gonna see what happens. So let me connect it and then we'll go from there. All right, so I have connected it. As you can see, it has this little screen right here. We're gonna turn on AC. There's no wattage. I'm gonna turn on one light just to see if we see any change in the wattage. And right there is telling you, right? 17 watts is using, right? All right, so let's shut off all the lights and let's see what this baby can do. Okay, my people, so normally the iPhones are pretty good about making things a little brighter. As you can see, it makes it a little brighter, but trust me, it's darker than this right now in this room. But we have the lights, okay? This is plugged. So we're gonna go ahead, turn on one of the lights. Watch your eyes, everybody, okay? We're gonna turn on one of the lights. Here we go. Oh, goodness. Okay, now we know with one light, it was around 17. Let me make sure I don't blind you, watch out. There you go, both lights. Let's see how much wattage it's using. So it's using 43. And as you can see, it's still at 55% charge, man. It's not wasting nothing, all right? So let's go to see what else we could try. Maybe we'll put a phone to charge or something. Because it does have like it has the type C down there and the B. But you guys get the idea. You know, you can charge a lot of things, but I'll try it out. Now up here, I believe this is wireless charging, my people. I just don't have the right phone because you know how the newer iPhones now, they got like this lump in the camera, so I guess it won't let it charge, man, because it won't touch the pad all the way. But all right, you can see with the LED how it was. Now we'll go try the other things that it has, my people. Oh man, oh, look at that. You could take this outside, have a little party. You got no light. Man, I'm wondering, you know what? I want to go test this on a fridge. I know that it's at 55% charge. I want to go see what it does with my son's mini fridge. Let's go try that out. All right, so this is a big deal. As you can see right there, it's a mini fridge. I have plugged it in. Let's see. At this point, it's 0. Okay? Did it turn it on? The fridge is on. The fridge is on. And I do hear the compressor if I'm not mistaken, but it can't be right because it's not using any wattage. And now it's not only the refrigerator that's connected. In here, even the piano is connected. So let's try the piano. The piano, as you can see, is turning on. This is insane. Wow. So, as you can hear, the piano's on. Okay. And it's showing me 0 watts. My people, what is this? What kind of thing is this? This cannot be real. I wish the fridge, let me see. Let's crank up the fridge and let's see, because I don't hear the compressor. Let's turn it on and see what happens. So for a quick split second, I saw 7 watts. 7 watts I saw, and that's it. There you go, look, showing 7 watts. So is that just from the little light? Is that from the light? Because the fridge is on? See, 7 watts. Let's close it. 0. So it's pulling from the light. Just from the light of the fridge. See? From the light. Oh, my people, never mind. Here we go. 83 watts. You can hear the compressor. The fridge turned on and it's still at 55% charge, as you can see. So 85 watts. Look at that. And the battery's still holding, my people. That's how great this is. And then if I press the The piano's on, so we're gonna shut off the piano. Piano's off. You see how it dropped? Still at 80, 81 basically. But this is holding. Yo, that's insane. So it can't handle the load of a mini fridge, my people, as you can see. See, I'm not lying, okay? Piano is off, and that plug goes all the way in the back. See? You can look, it's the same plug. It comes straight from there, and it connects all this right there, even a light. So this thing can hold a piano, a mini fridge, and a light. And a light. So my people, you saw it. How much this thing can handle. And it's still at 55%. 55%. The fridge is on, see, 78 watts. You can see it right here with your own eyes. 78. This little battery, my people. So imagine if you lose your light, especially if you're at hurricane or something, lose power, this thing can handle. And if you get the accessory, the solar panel, even better. You can just charge it right with the sun, no issues. But I'm gonna go fully charge it. But before that, let's go check on the USB. Wow, this is incredible. Okay, so unfortunately, like I said, I can't show you the pad at the top because you see this phone, see the lump, it won't let it touch. It won't let it get there. So yeah, I'll try it even with this here. Let me see like this, maybe like this. Let's try like this. No, it won't let the phone charge. Nope, so it won't. All right, but it's gonna be a little bit hard. We're gonna check, we're gonna turn on the USB. USB is on, okay? And we're gonna connect it and see. And don't mind me, I'm trying to do this one hand. Here we go. Automatically. See it? It's charging, you saw it. And right here, just, it was at 6 watts. Let me turn the phone on again. See, I turned on the light on the phone. I turned on the light. And when I turn on the light, see, 7, 6, 9. See, but once the phone, let me see, shut off. Phone shut off, but look, it's charging it quick. So it's like even a quick charger. As you can see, it's charging it quick. And it's still at 55%, my people. So this doesn't even have to be a long video to show you how nice this thing is, because I'm already impressed. I'm telling you. You know, the only thing is how long does it live for? How long before it breaks down? So of course, if that happens, I am gonna put it in the description. So if 6 months from now, this thing breaks down, I'm gonna put the date and let you know, hey, it broke down on this date. So that way you'll know. But as of right now, this thing is awesome. Again, this is the 1000, okay? They do have a 500. It's all depending your needs. Whatever your needs are, man, that's what you buy. But this is gonna receive a thumbs up in my review. I honestly couldn't believe it. I wanted to plug it to the big fridge, but I honestly believe that this thing will hold my big fridge also. It will hold the load. I believe it. I don't know how long it'll last, but I think this thing will hold it with a full charge, my people. So again, it's something that if you have in an emergency, you don't have power and you need power, this thing will work. Your computer, your phone, definitely. If it could if it could hold the load of a mini fridge, it will definitely work, my people. So there you have it. Leave your comments down below. If anybody else has bought it, you want to comment anything down below, please leave your comment. And thank you so much for watching.